Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a tally counter at home. First, let's gather our essential materials. You'll need some sturdy cardboard or thick paper, a pair of sharp scissors, and a reliable pen. Additionally, find a small bolt, about 1/8 inch in diameter, along with 2 matching nuts and a few washers. A small wooden block or a piece of very thick cardboard will serve as an excellent base for your counter. Having everything ready makes the building process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's create the heart of our tally counter, the number discs. Take your cardboard or thick paper and cut out 10 identical circular discs. Each disc should be about 2 inches in diameter to ensure the numbers are easily visible. With your pen, carefully number each disc from 0 to 9. Finally, use a small hole punch or a sharp tool to make a perfectly centered hole through each of the 10 discs. Precision here helps your counter function smoothly. With your numbered discs ready, it's time to assemble the counting mechanism. Carefully stack all 10 discs onto your bolt, ensuring they are in numerical order from 0 to 9. Place a small washer between each disc. This is crucial for smooth, independent rotation. Secure one nut tightly at the bottom of the bolt, holding the entire stack in place. Then, attach the second nut loosely at the top, allowing just enough space for the discs to turn freely. Almost there. Now mount the assembled bolt and disc securely onto your sturdy base. You can use glue or another small fastener to keep it firm. Next, craft a simple lever from a strip of cardboard. This will be your counting mechanism. Position the lever so it can easily engage and rotate one disc at a time with each press. Finally, test your homemade tally counter by repeatedly pressing the lever, watching the numbers advance. Enjoy your functional DIY counter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.